How do we see the world? Well, you can explain it in a materialist way that the sun is emitting photons and the photons they enter Earth and then they reflect on objects, for example on a tree, and then the reflected photons they enter our eyes and then onto our retina where the photons are converted into signals into our neurons, and there they enter our consciousness, and that's how we see the tree in real life. Well, that's a very materialist way of explaining how seeing works, and it's correct on a basic level, but so much more is going on, especially in a mature mind, because we have recognized patterns over time. So when a child is very young, it starts with seeing contours between black and light, and then it starts to see shapes, and then it identifies that some shapes have color, and then over time you start to identify like faces, animals, vehicles, houses, all kinds of things. So we have all those templates into our mind, and we use that templates to recognize stuff all of the time. And in a lot of times it works even the other way around. We have an expectation before we see the things that we want to see. So when we enter our house, we know what's there. We have an expectation. We have a pattern in our minds of what we will see when we enter our house. And then when we step into the room, we look around and we don't see what we see. We just validate our templates. And this is way more energy efficient. It saves a lot of energy if we just approving our predefined patterns. So we only have to spend extra energy to the things that don't agree with our predefined patterns, and those things we give extra attention because they are the exception to the rule.